Hey guys, my name is Ariana. I'm here from Bass Lake, and today I'll be unboxing this gun, but it's fake, so I don't know what really happened. That's why it comes with these ducks, and then these. Okay. So let's get started. Now we got our darts out and then our little ducks. Here's the gun. You need to pull this trigger and then you press that. And to get it in, you do this. You put it in. I think that's how it goes. Okay. It worked! Okay. So these, they're not really that hard. See, they're squishy and then it has like this sticky thing right here. See, you can kind of stick on here. And then I like this texture right here. It looks like it's actually made out of wood. I just had duck. I'm kidding. Okay. That's all for today. Bye guys.